Are we slowly getting replaced by artificial intelligence? The newly released AGI software engineer Devin has sent shockwaves through the industry, redefining the future of tech jobs. Does this mean bye-bye to traditional software engineering roles as we know them? Recently, there has been a shocking announcement from this company, Cognition Labs. They just released the world's first autonomous AI programmer named Devin. And for those who don't know them, Cognition Labs is an applied AI lab focused on reasoning. They're a small team based in New York and San Francisco. Devin is not just a program, it's a groundbreaking AI that acts as a software engineer, capable of coding, debugging, and even developing apps and websites. Created by Cognition and led by Scott Wu, Devin represents a significant leap in AI's role in software development. Devin solves engineering tasks through the use of its own shell, code editor, and web browser. It seems like this is just the beginning, and we'll be seeing more of these AIs as companies and investors are going to likely keep building these platforms where you can do amazing things. Devin is a really big step up from these AIs that have been around in coding for a really long time. And how's Devin a step up? It is actually the first AI that can fully take on coding tasks by itself, from start to finish. There has been a great advancement that should not be overlooked here and in the future. AI is going to really impact the technical sector. Before Devin, AI tools were more like helpers, focusing on one thing at a time, but Devin can understand big tasks and handle them all on its own. There has also been a series of demos that have been released. There have been a total of 7 demos released. Let's take a quick rundown at each one. The first demo basically does a rundown of how Devin can learn to use unfamiliar technologies. It was able to autonomously learn from a blog post and also do some debugging that the blog post didn't cover originally, and this was done single-handedly by Devin without human assistance. Devin was able to give the desired output. The second demo was also really impressive. Here, Devin was given a task to implement the video game, the game of life by someone that works at Cognition, and Devin starts off by creating a new React application using the shell, and it sort of goes on to write new codes and also deploy the app. Devin was able to successfully modify features, fix bugs, and create an interactive and responsive website, showcasing its adaptability. Another really interesting demo is Devin fine-tuning language models. Devin was able to successfully fine-tune a large model, handle installation issues, debug, and successfully run training jobs for language models. It is an interesting thing that an AI system is able to train its own models. Another interesting thing is improving user interface with Devin. You can essentially utilize Devin to enhance the user experience by fixing issues in an open-source tool, tracking progress, coding fixes, and delivering improved results. Another really cool demo is bug fixing with Devin in Senpai repository. Devin was also able to successfully identify, debug, and fix bugs in the Senpai repository, thereby showcasing its problem-solving skills and efficiency in resolving coding issues. Another important thing to note is the aspect of test case creation and bug fixing. Engaging Devin to create test cases, debug code, and fix issues in the repository demonstrates the AI's ability to handle testing and improve code reliability. Devin might, after all, be a good idea in the long run with all its amazing functionalities. There's also more to talk about, like the real-world impact of Devin, how it works, the funding, Devin's capabilities, and Devin's advanced features. Firstly, let's talk about the real-world impact of Devin. According to Cognition, they say Devin is designed to work with engineers, not to take their jobs away. So far, it's been pretty good at solving software problems and helping with actual projects. Do you think this is actually true, or is this just a marketing strategy by Cognition to get more users? Let's know your thoughts down below. Secondly, how does Devin work? As shown in the demo above, it's pretty straightforward when you get the hang of it. Devin uses some of the latest AI tech to figure out what you need, plan how to do it, write code, and even fix its own mistakes. It knows a lot about different programming languages, how to build software, and the best ways to get things done. When you ask Devin to do something, it uses this library to understand your request. First, Devin breaks down what you've asked into smaller pieces it can understand. Then, It digs into its library to find the best way to tackle your request. It thinks about things like how fast it needs to work, how big the project is, and how to make everything run smoothly. After planning, Devin starts writing code. It knows languages like Python and JavaScript and can figure out the best way to put everything together. Devin also checks its work to make sure it all makes sense. As Devin works on more projects, it learns and gets even better. This means it can handle new challenges and keep up with the latest tech stuff. Devin also doesn't work alone. It's part of the team. It can communicate with human engineers, provide them with status updates, and solicit their opinions. Devin handles the mundane tasks, such as developing simple code and proofreading it. This frees up the human engineers to work on the more challenging issues. Working with the team teaches Devin new things as well. Knowing the tastes and style of the team helps it improve. Devin gradually improves as a team member as a result of this experience. Devin is essentially a very helpful robot with extensive coding knowledge. It collaborates with human engineers, taking care of the grunt work so they may concentrate on solving complex issues. Thirdly, the funding. Cognition is a well-funded lab, including a $21 million Series A led by Founders Fund. With its groundbreaking capabilities, Cognition Lab is poised to capture a substantial market share in the autonomous agent sector, as there are currently no comparable tools available. Devin's capabilities includes planning and executing complex engineering tasks requiring thousands of decisions. Devin can recall relevant context at every step, learn over time, and fix mistakes. Devin also excels in the Software Engineer (SBE) benchmark, achieving impressive results compared to previous models. It resolves real-world GitHub issues with a resolution rate significantly higher than previous models, indicating a robust understanding of code and context. It has also been equipped with common developer tools including the shell, code editor, and browser within a sandboxed compute environment. Everything a human would need to do their work. Its performance isn't tailored to specific types of problems, but is generally applicable across a variety of scenarios, making it a desirable trait for an autonomous AI system. Scott Wu, the founder of Devin, has refrained from divulging extensive details about the company's underlying technology. However, he mentioned that his team has devised innovative methods to integrate large language models, LLMs, with reinforcement learning techniques, a concept that has long been contemplated by professionals in this field. Scott's goal with Devin is to have an AI buddy that can team up with real engineers. Moving forward, it seems like Devin might be showing us just how the future would look for AI in coding. It offers a glimpse into a future where AI can accomplish even more remarkable feats. Picture Devin or similar AI tools being capable of managing large and intricate coding projects independently, handling vast amounts of code effortlessly, and enhancing software autonomously over time. The possibilities are just endless at this point. Also, in a recent tweet by Andrew Karpathy, he discusses the parallels between the evolution of autonomous driving and the automation of software engineering, highlighting how AI's increasing involvement and sophistication is step by step. This progression starts from basic assistance and moves towards more complex and integrated functions, suggesting a future where AI handles more day-to-day coding tasks, allowing developers to focus on higher-level design and problem-solving. Devin represents a leap in this evolution, coordinating multiple development tools and acting with more autonomy, implying a shift in human oversight to a higher strategic level. This suggests that in the future, software engineers may operate more like managers or architects, guiding AI strategy rather than writing every line of code. Karpathy also emphasizes the importance of user interface design for AI integration into software engineering, where the interaction between humans and AI must be seamless and intuitive. As AI tools like Devin become more capable, the role of the software engineer is likely to transform, emphasizing supervision and high-level conceptual work over coding. Based on what we've seen today, it appears that many more companies will soon introduce AI software engineers similar to Devin. It will be intriguing to see what other companies are willing to bring to the challenge. To join the more conversations and stay updated, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and also ring the notification bell to stay up to date on new content.